12th of November 2020, and here's Lahnaruohontie Fraksengräsvägen 3. Was it 3?
Yeah.
3 seconds B in Lauttasaari, Helsinki, Finland. This one I stopped not very well, but this looks very nice, very 60s style.
Yeah.
For a telephone and for the electricity here. The apartments here. It was built in 1961, turning 60 years old in next year, 2021, when it's going to be inspected again, and the serial number is H9182. Capacity is 3 persons to avoid crimes. I really like the interior here.
Same here.
But as you can see, inside is a little bit better somehow.
Yeah.
But everything is in both Swedish and Finnish here. And got these yellow texts.
Yeah, they are very red.
Yeah. And then they have the wooden corners here.
Yeah.
I would have loved to see in this similar style a Kone from the early 1960s with automatic doors.
Yeah.
Maybe, but with pop-out.
Yeah.
But it would have had also these rounded corners.
Yeah.
At least I think in Makkaratalo it has it.
Yeah.
Still, the ones that are more in 1990, they have it.
Yeah. Spektaatpaikki maintained by Kone.
Yeah. But only here on this one is not in both languages for some reason.
Yeah.
But if they can see it's in both. Let's see what it is in the States.
Yeah.
Your side is in the
Yeah.
Thank you very much for
That's
watching.